Good morning, beta. We were doing chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variable. Fifth exercise we were doing question number 2. Fifth part is pending from this exercise. Now this is the statement sum. The area of rectangle get reduced by 9 square meter square unit if the length is reduced by 5 and breadth is increased by 3. We are talking about that the area of rectangle will be reduced if the length is reduced and the breadth is increased. So before starting this condition, you will simply suppose length and breadth as let length be x and breadth be y. Length and breadth we have supposed. So if the length and breadth is given, can I write the area as length into breadth? So we have used the formula area is equal to length into breadth, that is x into y. Is it okay? Now, according to question, it is given that if the length is reduced by 5 and the breadth is increased by, if the breadth is increased by 3, then the area of rectangle is reduced by 9. ये length है, ये breadth है. When you multiply length into breadth, you will get the area. This is equal to area minus 9. In the given condition, they are saying that if the length is reduced by 5 and the breadth is increased by 3, then the area will get reduced by 9. So ये भी एरिया है, ये भी एरिया है. कहता अगर आप ये वाली कंडीशन लगाते हो, then the area will be reduced by 9. So I have written the area is to be decreased by 9. Solve this. When you multiply this, xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 15 is equal to xy minus 9. Is it okay? Now, xy is same. They will cancel out when you shift one xy on the another side. It will become negative. One positive and another negative will cancel out. So equation is 3x minus 5y minus 15 plus 9 equal to 0. 3x minus 5y minus 6 equal to 0. So this is your equation number 1. Now, second condition is, in the second condition, if we increase the length by 3 and breadth by 2, then the area increased by 67. Then the area is increased by 67 square unit. Okay, is it clear, beta? Now solve this. Xy plus 3y plus 2x plus 6 equal to xy plus 67. xy cancel out. 2x plus 3y plus 6 minus 67 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 61 equal to 0. This is your equation number 2. Give it number 2. Now solve 1 and 2 by elimination method, or you can use substitution as well, but better to use elimination. So here the coefficient of x is 2. In this we have 3. And coefficient of y is 3. Here the coefficient is 5. So they इसमें से कोई भी पेयर जो है वो एक दूसरे का मल्टीपल नहीं है. अगर मल्टीपल होते हैं तो थोड़ा इजी हो जाता है. अगर एक तरफ 2 हो एक तरफ 4 हो तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 4 बन जाएगा. 3 और 6 हो तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 6 बन जाएगा. बट दे डोंट हैव एनी मल्टीपल, So you have to multiply. Now we are eliminating x. So for eliminating x, equation number 2 will be multiplied with 3. Equation number 1 will be multiplied with 2. So after multiplying it with 2, it will become 6x. Here also you will get 6x. 6x and 6x will cancel out by subtraction because same sign is there, so you will subtract. So multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. Is it okay? Now multiply this beta and write the equations so that we can solve them. 6x minus 10y minus 12 equal to 0. 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 6x plus 9y minus 183 equal to 0. Now subtract them and subtract. And subtract I have written with this, नहीं तो मुझे दोबारा लिखना पड़ेगा. After subtraction, you all know signs have to be changed. Cancel out minus minus plus, that is 19 with minus sign. Plus minus minus करेंगे minus क्या आएगा 171 with positive sign equal to 0. So minus 19y is equal to minus 171 क्या आएगा डिवाइड करके 9. Value of y is 9. So I have got y as 9. So you can put y as 9 in first or second equation. Depend. Obviously you will put in this. यहाँ पे 61 है, यहाँ 6 है, तो better to put in this because small numbers are there. Put y is equal to 9 in 1. So 3x minus 5 into 9 minus 6 equal to 0. 3x minus 45 minus 6 equal to 0. 3x minus 51 equal to 0. X is equal to 70. So length is 17 units and breadth is 9 units. Now beta, in the next exercise 3.6, questions are given but x and y are given in the denominator. But the general form of the linear equation is always of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. And the general form contain x and y always in the numerator. But here you can see that x and y are given in the denominator. So this is not in the general form. So you have to first convert them into the general. Okay. So what you will do, you will suppose you will convert that x in the denominator. You have to bring that denominator variable in the numerator. What you will do for that? You will suppose 1 by x as some another variable a, or you can take uv, or you can take ab, mn, it depends upon you. So I'm taking u and v, or we can take a and b as well. So we will take 1 by x as u and 1 by y as b. That will convert your question to the standard. So let's see this. So you will suppose let 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. Got it? Now, if I write 1 by x as u, then the equation will be u upon 2 plus v upon 3. 2 will remain in the denominator, 3 will remain in the denominator, but 1 by x, how you will got this? 1 by 2 into 1 by x, that will give you 1 by 2x. This you will keep as it is, and 1 by x will be written as u. So that will give you u by 2, v by 3. Is it clear? कोई ये तो नहीं कहेगा कि 3 भी ऊपर आना चाहिए, 2 भी ऊपर आना चाहिए. मैंने आपको बता दिया कि ये इस तरह से फॉर्म हुआ है. This is your u. So u multiplied by 1 by 2 will give you u upon 2 is equal to 2, and the second equation will be changed to u upon 3 plus v upon 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Is it okay? Now, the variables we have brought to the numerator, but one thing is again pending. Equation has not still changed to the standard form. So let's take the LCM to remove that fraction number so that you can get simple equation and you can solve it easily. Now take LCM. 6 3u plus 2v is equal to 2. That is 3u plus 2v is equal to 12. This is your equation number 1. And the second equation, after taking LCM, you will get 2u plus 3v is equal to 13 by 6. 6 will cancel out. 2u plus 3v is equal to 13. This is your equation number 2. Is it okay? Is it okay? Any doubt? Any doubt, beta? Now, again, the rest of the things are same that we have done in the previous exercise. So, can you solve this for getting the value of u and v? Can you solve this by elimination method? Now, here u has 3 coefficients, 2, 2, 3. So, 1 you have to make change. Either you will cancel out 2 u or you will cancel out v. So, let's multiply बेटा जो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन है ना बहुत लेंदी है क्योंकि पहले आपने यूवी में चेंज किया फिर मल्टीप्लाई करके सॉल्व करोगे फिर यूवी को दोबारा एक्स वाई में लेके आओगे ये ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन तो यूवी एक्स वाई में था ना तो आपने एक्स वाई फाइंड करना तो पहले यूवी फाइंड करोगे फिर एक्स वाई फाइंड करोगे तो मल्टीप्लाई 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So if you multiply this with 2, you will get 6u plus 4v is equal to 12. And this is 6u plus 9v is equal to 39. Subtract this, subtract. So after subtraction, the sign will change. This will cancel out. Minus 5v minus 27 v is equal to 27 by 5. V we have got as 27 by 5. Now, you have to get the value of u also. So, put this value of v in any of the equation to get u. We have multiplied the first equation with 2, so it will become 24. So after subtraction, what you will get? 15 minus 15. So v is equal to 3. Put v is equal to 3 in किसी में put कर लो 1 में put कर लो 3u plus 6 is equal to 12. 3u is equal to 6. U is equal to 2. So we have got u and v. Now it's the turn to convert uv into xy. So answer 1 by x was your u. U की वैल्यू क्या है 2. तो x क्या आ जाएगा 1 by 2. और 1 by y क्या है v. 1 by y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 1 by 3. Second part. In the previous question, we have 1 by x in the first term, 1 by y in the second term. So here, different things are given. The term x is given in the root. So you will suppose the complete thing as 1 by root x as u and 1 by root y as v. This you will suppose. Now the equation will change to 2 is already in the numerator, so it will become 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. Second is 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. Now, as you can see that 2 and 4 are the multiple, 4 is the multiple of 2 and 9 is the multiple of 3. तो आपको एक को मल्टीप्लाई करने पड़ेगा. You can make 2 as 4. You can easily make 2 as 4 by multiplying the first equation with 2, or if you want to eliminate v, you can multiply the first equation with 3. You will do one thing at a time. So this is your equation number 1. This is your equation number 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2. So after multiplication with 2, this will become 4u plus 6v is equal to 4. 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. Let's subtract this. This cancel out. 15v is equal to 5. V is equal to 5 by 15. V is equal to 1 by 3. V we have got as 1 by 3. Now let's put this V in any of the first two equations to get your U. Put V is equal to 1 by 3 in 1. Twice of U plus 3 times V is equal to 2. 2U plus 1 is equal to 2. Is it okay? Is it clear? So 2U is equal to 1 and the value of U is 1 by 2. So we have got value of U and V. Now in the beginning we have supposed 1 by root 2 root x is equal to U. U की value क्या है? 1 by 2. So can I write root x is equal to 2? Is it okay? 1 by root x 1 by 2 के इक्वल है, तो root x किसके इक्वल होगा? 2 के. Squaring both sides, x is equal to 4. आपको पता है जब एक तरफ से स्क्वायर रूट हटता है तो दूसरी जगह जाके स्क्वायर बन जाता है. स्क्वायर होता है तो रिमूव होके स्क्वायर रूट बनता है ऑपोजिट साइड पे. अदरवाइज यहाँ स्क्वायर रूट है तो इस साइड पे जाके स्क्वायर इट विल बी फॉर्म.
मैम आपने सेकंड इक्वेशन को 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया.
सेकंड इक्वेशन को जरूरत ही नहीं थी. यहाँ 4 है ना.
यस.
2 से कर दिया तो 4 बन गया. ओह, आप क्या कह रहे हो? यही कह रहे हो आप?
मैम आपने एलिमिनेशन लगाया है ना.
हाँ जी.
तो मैम आपने क्या कहते हैं वो सही तरह मल्टीप्लाई मेरे ख्याल से नहीं किया. ऊपर 4 फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को 4 के साथ करना था, सेकंड को 2 के साथ.
4 के साथ क्यों करना था बेटा? यहाँ 4 था ना, मैंने इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके 4 बना लिया. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करके 4 बना दिया. 4 और 4 सेम आगे कैंसिल हो गया.
मैम हम पर ये भी तो कर सकते थे ना कि 2 के साथ सेकंड इक्वेशन को और 4 के साथ फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को. कर सकते
हैं, आंसर सेम आएगा. लेकिन मैं आपको ये बताऊं, जब मल्टीपल होते हैं ना, तो जैसे 2 2 जा 4 है, इसको 4 बनाना है तो 2 से करना है. आप जो कह रहे हो वो ठीक है, लेकिन क्यों करना है जब उससे बेटर ये है हमारे पास. आप 2 जगह मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, मैं 1 जगह कर रही हूँ, तो कौन सा बेटर है?
एक जगह वाला ही.
तो इसे ऐसे कर, जब मल्टीपल होते हैं ना तो 1 से करना होता है. और जब जो दोनों ही जो नंबर है वो को प्राइम है, उनका एचसीएफ कोई भी नहीं है, तो फिर आपस में एक को 2 से एक को 3 से जो भी सेम बनाना होता है एलसीएम वो करते हैं. अभी जरूरत नहीं थी. आंसर सेम आएगा. आप अपने मेथड से करोगे आंसर तब भी सेम आएगा. आपकी कटिंग होगी वहां पे, मेरी कटिंग नहीं होगी क्योंकि मैंने ऑलरेडी लीस्ट नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया. तो x is 4 and 1 by root y is equal to v. 1 by root y is equal to v. Value of v is 1 by 3. Root y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 9. Squaring both sides. इस साइड पे भी squaring both sides. Now as you can see that x is not single term, x is with 1. So you will suppose 1 by x minus 1 as u, 1 upon y minus 2 as v. So the question will change to 5u plus v is equal to 2, 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. Is it okay? Is it clear? पूरी टर्म जो x के साथ है उसको u ले लिया, जो y के साथ है उसे कंप्लीट को v सपोज कर लिया. इक्वेशन चेंज हो गई. यहाँ देखो, अब आप पूछ रहे थे मुझसे अरमान कि यहाँ देखो ये अलग है, इनमें कोई रिलेशन नहीं है 5 और 6 में. तो इसको 6 से मल्टीप्लाई, इसको 5 से. लेकिन इससे बेटर एक और वे है. 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई क्यों करना है, एक बार करेंगे. किससे? Better to multiply this first equation with 3. Better to multiply the first equation with 3. Multiply equation 1 by 3. So it will become 5, 15u plus 3v is equal to 6. 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. And what you will do? Either you will add or you will subtract. Different sign are there, so you will add these two equations. This will cancel out. 21u is equal to 7, u is equal to 7 by 21, u is equal to 1 by 3. So put this value of u anywhere in the first or second equation to get your v. So put u is equal to 1 by 3 in 1. 5u plus v is equal to 2. v is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. ये clear है? 5 into 1 by 3 करना था. I have written 5 by 3. So after taking LCM, it will be 1 by 3. So v आ गया 1 by 3. v भी आ गया, u भी आ गया. And put this. You have 1 upon x minus y as u. 1 upon x minus y is equal to u is 1 by 3. Can I write x minus 1 is equal to 3? X is equal to 4. And the same manner, 1 upon y minus 2 is your v. 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Y minus 2 is equal to 3. Y is equal to 5. So we have got x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5.